All right, let's get ready for the first ride of 2019. I've moved the bike around a couple times over the last few months. It's been winter, and let's see if she starts. Like brand new. Gotta love fuel injection. Things started right up. First time in a few months. Battery's still good. That means, well, it is March 24th. I think it's almost the first day of spring, or yesterday was, which means it's warm enough to ride. Over the last week or two, town has gotten crazier and crazier. You can see there's some cyclists being crazy. Lots of Jeeps, lots of cars, lots of people, which means lots of idiots. Well, the potential for idiots. Hey look, it even kept the time, 12:50. I didn't unhook the battery or anything. That's nice. It's really crazy how we can go from being so dead to so busy all of a sudden. I don't know if you can see this, but there's still dirt on the ground from where the plows have, I guess the plows do it. The plows drop dirt on the road. We don't use salt here. We use dirt because it's literally everywhere. But what have I been doing over the winter? If you've been paying attention to my other videos, you will have seen that I have been working on other vehicles, specifically the Journey, Suburban, the Mustang is new. I took all the electronics and stuff out of my Dodge Journey and I actually put it up on Turo. I've been renting it a couple times. It's essentially paying for itself. That's why I got the Mustang. It pays the car payment, it pays the insurance. It's kind of been nice driving that Mustang around. 310 horsepower with 93 octane. We don't have 93 octane here, so I doubt it has 310 horsepower. Probably somewhere around 300, 295, something like that. I just wish we could get 93 octane here. The closest place you can get it is either Denver or Salt Lake City. 6-hour drive or a 4-hour drive. I don't know which one. I'm sure I could get some like 103 race gas or something nearby. I don't see the point in doing that. I don't need to really blow up the engine. Well, I guess my buddy's not home. Just stopped by his house to see what he was up to. He is not there. So I guess we'll just have to keep riding. I don't really have anywhere I need to be until 2 o'clock. I gotta go to work. Well, I don't have to go to work. I should probably go to work. I'll pay for that Mustang. Ideally be wearing a t-shirt, but it is pretty chilly. I can be out in a t-shirt without the sweater, but with the wind from the bike, it's a little difficult. Red light. Fuck it. Let's have some fun. 60 and a 45. 65 and a 45. Let's slow down a little bit. Well, it's a short day. It's getting chilly. The wind is picking up. The weather is coming in. I'm going way too fast for this road, and I don't really have much else to talk about. However, I did want to give a shout out to Moto Noir in New York City. Hello and hello. Well, I'm back on the Rebel. Moab's getting busy again, as you can tell from that place, and it's going to be a good season. I think since I got the Mustang, I'm going to keep the Rebel through the whole season. And then next winter sometime, I'll probably get a little bit more powerful of a bike. See if I can get the Mustang paid off before then too. Let's go back to Main Street, find out how busy it actually is. Red light, green light. A fellow cyclist, a fellow motorcyclist. Another fellow motorcyclist. People do not know who I am. I know people, but they don't know me. Cruising on Main Street. Cruising on... I didn't see that guy. Cruising on Main Street. I guess we don't need to be at 3,000 RPMs. Or 4,000 RPMs, huh? So I'm gonna fucking fall asleep. Going 28 miles an hour. Fuck it, I'm getting off this. Well guys, I'm almost home. That's gonna be it for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button down below. If you dislike the video, you know what to do. But as always, don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me your thoughts and feelings. I'm telling you mine. I hope you enjoyed the first episode back of Rebel Ride Along. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.